What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking. I got a special one for you today. We are going to take Chinese donuts, deep fry these bad boys, and wrap them in some rice noodle rolls. Let's go. First up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Then add 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch to a mixing bowl. We'll add 1 cup of rice flour and 2 cups of water for the perfect ratio. I've tried many different formulas for this, and this one hits, y'all. Whisk everything together until the rice water is evenly mixed. No clumpity clumps here. Then add just a touch of oil to give it a bit of a velvety texture. Next up, you'll want to grab your Chinese donut. I'm using this Happy Garden brand that I found at H Mart, but you can use any brand you find, or even better, something fresh and local if you live in Chinatown. We'll cut these in half to make it easier to fry. Drop them into a wok with some hot oil and fry them while turning them every 30 seconds until they turn golden brown. Lay them onto a paper towel for drying, and now for the fun part. Take your steamer tray and give it a nice coat of oil to prevent sticking. When the steam is piping hot, we'll add 2 ladles of our mix onto the pan, or enough to create a thin layer that covers the whole steaming tray. Steam for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat until your rice noodle sheets look like it has bumps on it, like this. I know, it looks kind of weird. We'll set it on the table to cool down for a minute or two. Once that's cooled, place our Chinese donut rolls down like this and start rolling. I have this little scraper that makes this process a bit easier, and don't worry about any holes in the rolls as they end up rolling together anyway. We'll get some scissors here and cut into even pieces. Just look at the texture on this bad boy. For plating, I like to lay this down with some fresh cilantro. The sauce is super important, so we'll use this Lee Kum Kee sweet soy and add 1 tablespoon to a mixing bowl. I also have an organic tamari that I love by Sanjay, and we'll need half a tablespoon of tamari added to the party. I found this small batch of sesame oil at a Korean grocery market here in LA. That's really good, but use any sesame oil that you have and add half a tablespoon for nuttiness. And finally, 4 tablespoons of warm water, then mix it all together. Now for the cinematic pour over. And we're ready to grub down. Look how amazing these came out, right? These are bringing me back to when I first had them on my trip to Hong Kong as a kid. This dish is so good. It's got the crispy texture of the Chinese donut inside. It's got that smooth texture of the fresh rice noodles that we steamed up. Oh my God. This is it, guys. This is like dim sum in your house, fresh as it possibly can be. So good. That's it for this episode. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to cook next. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.